Bondent CBCT installation. CBCT installation is a highly professional process. Please make sure the equipment will be installed by authorized technicians. Prepare the installation tools. Do not power up the equipment until it is completely installed. Firstly, assembling the base unit. Unpack the box and take the base unit out. Please hold the correct force bearing point when lift the base for the pallet. Assembling the rotating unit. Before carrying the rotating unit, please screw the 4 carrying handles to the end on both sides. Then technicians lift the rotating unit out through holding the handles firmly. And please make sure the detector part is free from any external force. When install the rotating unit on the base, please make sure the screws are aligned with the holes. Finally, tighten the inner corner bolts firmly and remove 4 carrying handles. Assembling the SEF unit. Ensure the bolts are aligned with the holes seamlessly when install the SEF assembly, and then screw the cross-countersunk head bolts. Electrical connection. The whole CBCT is almost set up. It is time to finish electrical connection. Please connect the wiring of panoramic axis translation photoelectric switch, column driver, the base assembly, SEF, and the main power output accordingly. Attention please! Each cable is marked with a number. Make sure the connectors match the exact number. Now you can install the metal plate and the rest plastic covers on the main body. Also put all the accessories in right place. Assembling the touch panel. Please make sure the touch panel has been installed in correct position. Align the connector and insert it into the jack, or it can be blocked. As the installation is completed, power on the equipment to check if the device can function normally. Thank you for choosing Bondent. Bondent, better dentistry, better life.